I'd say the key results that we have is speed. So being able to build this team of 5 to 7 people within only 2 months. Second one is obviously quality. It's not just about finding people. It's really about finding the right people for the roles that we have. That's key to our success. My name is Arash Sundin Alidoost, and I'm the Chief Revenue Officer here at Scrive. We're a Swedish SaaS company, but we are in many different markets in Europe, and we are super fast growing. And what we do is we help companies digitize processes around e-signing and identification. The current phase we're in right now at Scrive is that we are really growing a lot, and we are focusing a lot on growing also outside of the Nordics, so internationally within new markets. And specifically right now, there's a huge focus for us on the German market. We came across Bluebird because we got an introduction from someone within our private equity company. Our owners basically had experience and had a dialogue going on with Bluebird. So that's how we first heard of them and got in touch with them. The reason why we decided to work with Bluebird, I think I was the one that was in the dialogues with the team in the beginning. And what really stood out for me is a few things. So first of all, they were really keen and had a lot of references and really wanted to work with us, so really engaged within the process. Also, one benefit was that they could help us find roles across different disciplines. So both in terms of sales, customer success, and solution engineering. Also, what was really good is they had people with experience of working in companies in these types of roles. So as we were going through different requirements and what is a good candidate and how we can really find the right people for the right role, they quickly understood what we were looking for, but they could also help us adapt that towards the German market. So someone with a certain amount of experience, they could kind of tell us, yeah, you should also make sure they know this or they have these skills, or when we were talking about salary ranges. So they had a lot of good experience that could help us also navigate when we were setting up the profiles and the guidelines for what type of people we were looking for. Before working with Bluebird, we have mainly been working with recruitment internally, working with our people and performance team internally to find different candidates and drive the processes fully ourselves. But in this case, we really needed someone both that knew the local market, but also that could really bring speed to this. So we wanted to be able to fill a bigger amount of roles in a very short amount of time. So that's why it was extra important to work with someone that could help us achieve that in as quick as possible. But with that said, not forgetting that you also need to have quality and making sure you have the right people that you bring in. And I would really say that, yeah, Bluebird has helped us do that. So both in terms of speed, we've been able to fill all of these roles within 2 months. And we're super happy as well with the candidates that they've presented. So they've been very relevant and very well prepared as well. So the processes have been really smooth. We've had great communication. They've given us a lot of valuable input also throughout the process. And now we have a team in place. So we're super excited about the people that we have. And they've only been a few months in the business, but we're really happy with the team in place. So when it comes to the roles, it's a mix of commercial roles such as sales, both junior and more senior type of roles, also customer success, and the technical roles like solution engineering. So it's a mix of roles that they've been able to support us with. And again, I think that's one of the benefits. So when it comes to some other recruitment firms out there, they can only help you with either technical roles or commercial roles. But here we could work with one partner for all of our needs. I'd say the key results that we have is one is speed. So being able to build this team of 5 to 7 people within only 2 months, that's been really valuable for us. Second one is obviously quality. It's not just about finding people. It's really about finding the right people for the roles that we have. That's key to our success. And then also, I think in general, just everything from when we started the dialogue together with them in order to initiate the partnership, to what to think about when hiring in Germany and how to think about the role descriptions, to how we can also make sure that we convince these great candidates to come work for Scribe. So everything along the way, I think, has gone really well, and we're really happy about the support. Just final word is just a big thank you. I mean, this is a big strategic initiative from our side when it comes to launching a new market, and there are a lot of. We're very happy with the results. One of the things we haven't thought of that much in the beginning, but we realize now is that the speed that they could bring to us in order to, or when it comes to bringing these people in such a short amount of time, is that we also have a good batch of people starting together. So they can learn from each other, they can build the culture together, we can be more efficient when it comes to training, etc. So we will definitely continue working with Bluebird in the future. And also for anyone thinking about finding a partner to help them, I can really recommend them. Or you can reach out to me and I can tell you more about our experience.